You see before you a very simple template. It has 1, 2, 3 circles and a rectangle. I'm going to use it to show you how to teach a 5-year-old who can count, how to add, subtract, multiply and divide in about 10 minutes. This should be of interest to teachers, parents and grandparents. So let's get started. Alright, we start off, we're going to do addition. So what you say is we're going to add 2 and 3. So one lot of 2, so you count out 2. 1, 2, that's one lot of 2, and then you count out one lot of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's why the children have to be able to count. Then you take both groups and you put them in together as one group. Good idea to put it in a line. That's what the children seem to like to do, and then they count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can show them that 2 plus 3 equals 5. And you could do 3 additions if you like. We could add 1, 2 and 3. So you count out 1 in the first circle, 2, 1, 2 in the second circle, and 1, 2, 3 in the third circle. You're going to add them, so you put them all into the rectangle, put them in a line, count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Now we'll do subtraction. Going to leave 4 in the rectangle. 4 take away 1. So we take 1 away, we put it there. 4 take away 1 is 3. That's subtraction. Right, now we'll do multiplication. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 times 3, but I don't use that sort of language with the children. I say what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 lots of 3. Right, we're going to do 2 lots of 3. So I get them to count out 2 lots of 3. Here's the first lot of 3. 1, 2, 3 there. And they do the second lot of 3. 1, 2, 3 there. And that's 2 lots of 3. They put them into here and then they count them, and they'll count them and it'll be 6. So 2 lots of 3 will give you 6. That's 2 times 3. Then you change the narrative. What they've got to get but when you're talking to them, it's 2 lots of 3, and then you can change the narrative and say it's actually 2 times 3. Now suppose we wanted to do 3 times 4. Right, so we would say, I want you to work out 3 lots of 4. So you'll put 4 there, that's one lot. Put 4 there, that's another lot. And put 4 there, that's 3 lots of 4. Then you put them into the rectangle and you all add them up, and when they add them up they'll get 12. That's the multiplication. Now we're going to do division. Once again, if you say think about say 8 divided by 4, you don't talk about 8 divided by 4. This is what you say to the child. How many lots of 4 are there in 8? So, first of all, they count out 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, they'd count it out one by one. Now, you've got 8 objects in the rectangle. So you count out how many lots of 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one lot of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 lots of 4. How many lots of 4 are there in 8? The answer is 1, 2 of them. All right? And that's how you do division. And then you can change the narrative to say that, well, 8 divided by 4 will actually be 2. So 2 lots of 8 in 4. And I think we're done.